अक्रूरः पेशलो दक्षो दक्षिणः क्षमिणां वरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभयः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः
He is Akrura. He did not immediately kill the crocodile, though he had fierce weapons with him. Listening to the desperate call from Gajendra, he came rushing with his dress and ornaments disorganized. He consoled Gajendra, touched him affectionately with his tender hands, and with assurance of help removed fear from his mind. The story of Gajendra's liberation, glorified in song, sanctifies those that listen to it.
Akruraha Peshalah Dakshaha Dakshinaha Kshaminam Varaha Vidvattamaha Vitabhayaha Punyashravanakirtanaha Om Akruraya Namaha Om Peshalaya Namaha Om Dakshaya Namaha Om Dakshinaya Namaha Om Kshaminam Varaya Namaha Om Vidvattamaya Namaha Om Vitabhayaya Namaha Om Punyashravanakirtanaya Namaha
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.